Yar, that be true, Captain. The legends say it's a treasure filled with coconuts so sweet they make the mangoes jealous. Coconuts, you say? Count me in. Besides, my trusty hook and I are always up for a good coconut hunt. Here, Captain, this be the ancient map passed down by generations of my island folk. It'll lead us to the coconut treasure. Slide to the left, now slide to the right. Back up, cha-cha, cha-cha. Wait, Captain, look at this colossal coconut tree. Aye, Captain Obvious, but no time to waste. The treasure awaits. Come on. Vast me hearties, prepare to be dazzled by the riches of the coconut treasure. Shiver me timbers, the legends were true. Oh, sweet coconuts, we've struck gold, my friend. Huzzah, I got some spares. Aye, Captain, and remember, the best treasures in life are the ones we share with good company. You're right, Coconutta. Now let's have a coconut feast and dance the day away. We're going to start with the crust and freeze it for 30 minutes. Take 1 cup of room temperature butter, cube it, and put it in your food processor. And add 3/4 cup of sugar. Give it a whiz for like 30 seconds and add in 3 cups of flour, a dash of kosher salt, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Whiz that all together until it looks like Parmesan cheese. You know, the type that goes on your spaghetti. And press it into your pan lined with parchment paper. I find that cutting the paper on the diagonal helps my corners, and spraying a bit of baking spray in the corners and roughly around the pan, that helps the paper stay in place. So press it into place with your fingers and press it flat with a measuring cup. Cover it with plastic wrap and freeze it for 30 minutes. And that's just enough time to take a little nap. Hey, Captain Breadhook, did you tell him to preheat the oven to 375? I think she partied a little too much last night. Bake for 25 minutes or until the edges turn a nice toasty brown. Then let it cool on the counter while we make the topping. You just take 5 egg whites, and I always separate them outside the bowl. That way if the yolk is going to burst, it's going to burst in here and not in the whole batch. Now you'll only need 3 more yolks to make my giant creme brulee. Click on this card here to watch it later. Add 1 cup of sugar very gradually. I use a soup spoon to slow my bigger self down. And add in 1½ cups of powdered sugar, slowly too. A teaspoon of cinnamon and ½ a teaspoon of cardamom. The zest of 3 small limes. Careful with that white part because it's bitter. 2 cups of coconut and fold these in. Take from the bottom and bring it to the top. Glop it into your pan. Spread it evenly around the pan. Big Baker here is using an offset spatula to get it flat. Sprinkle some coconut on top, about 1.5 cups, and bake for 25 to 30 minutes until the top turns a nice toasty brown, kind of looking a little bit like hash browns. You want to make sure the middle cooks to at least 160 degrees. Then cool and serve. A layer of nice moist coconut and a crunchy meringue on top. Leave a comment. This is really good.